Hey folks, Damien with Southpaw Designs. And guess what? I brought some friends over to play today. When I started this woodworking journey a few years ago, I didn't know what I knew and what I didn't know. So I relied on YouTube and I found a wealth of great content creators who are also master craftsmen to help me learn everything that I've learned over the course of the past few years. And so today what we're going to do is we're going to look at a few projects from some small YouTubers that you may have never heard of. Because while we all know the big guys like John Malecki, Bourbon Moth, Steve Ramsey, Woodworking for Mere Mortals. Now, the great thing about YouTube is that anybody can post on YouTube. I'm literally recording right now on my iPhone. And there are a wealth of very talented woodworkers and craftspeople out there who put out some great content, but they might have a small following because they don't understand the search engine optimization or how to really get videos out there for a wide audience. Or they just post out a video every once in a while. And those are the ones that we're going to take a look at today. Some great projects from some small YouTubers, all of whom have less than 10,000 subscribers. So this video is going to be a simple, short little intro about each of their projects. And then if you're interested in seeing their full video, go down to the description and you'll find the link right down there. And then also give them some love, subscribe to their channels, hit that like button, leave a comment for them, because those things are always great for those small channels.
Today I'm going to show you how I make this American flag coat rack.
The first thing to do is to cut all the wood down to size. Next, I decided to sand everything before ripping the stripes down. The next step is to burn. After burning, it's time to stain. Once that is ready, it's time for the glue up. Next, we're ready to add the stars. Once the flag is done, we're ready to start assembling the frame of the coat rack. I start by gluing and screwing the top of the frame to the sides. Once the top is attached, I like to attach the bottom to the hook support first, then attach it as an assembly to the rest of the frame, and then glue and screw the bottom assembly in place. Once you've got it all together, the coat rack is basically done at this point. The last things left to do are to seal it up, make and install the cleat, and install the hooks. If you want to see the build in full detail, head over to the channel and check it out.
Hey everybody, welcome to our wood shop.
I'm Cecilia and this is my husband Brian. We live in Eastern Kentucky and together we share our love for woodworking right here at Wood Songs by Russell.
Right here you can see we have a project we made a couple of years ago. This is a key and mail holder made completely out of upcycled pallet wood.
As you can see, this was inspired by a picket fence. At the back, this is pine. We finished it with a solid color stain. And the pocket is cherry. We finished it simply with some natural Danish oil.
Now the construction of this is really simple. All you need is some wood glue, some 1-inch brad nails. There's a little bit of simple basic hardware on here like these hooks and some sawtooth hangers on the back.
This is one of our favorite projects, probably because we use it every single day. We used it to get more organized in our kitchen. I'm also really bad to lose my keys. So you can see we get to keep our keys all in one place. And it'll fit all kinds of different sizes of mail. We even keep like magazines in here and larger envelopes.
You can also customize this, do your own design, different colors. You can do edge profiles around this, maybe some engraving or stenciling on the front here if you'd like to do that as well.
We hope you'll check out our video. The link is in the description below and that you'll be inspired to make your own key and mail holder.
Big thanks to Damien Lehman at Southpaw Design for featuring us in his video.
Happy woodworking!
Hey guys, first off I want to say thanks to Damien for reaching out to me for this video collab. Really enjoy your videos, but this is my contribution to it. I am making these pressure treated memorial crosses. This one was made on a CNC and he's got the link for the full video. They are done with a half lap joint. All of it is done on a CNC, a Shapeoko 4 XXL by Carbide 3D. I walk you through how I done the heart, the pieces, and how I'm going to be packaging it to ship it. They are really good far as for selling. They make great gifts to give to your loved ones who have lost family members. And during Memorial Day, they are really nice to make for your own family members to put on their graves. They've been a huge hit for me here in Eastern Kentucky, and hope to see you over on my Splinter Fingers Woodworking channel and for more projects like this. Once again, thanks for reaching out, and we'll see you later.
All right, so now I guess it's my turn. The project that I'm going to talk about, and I'm going to show you a little bit about, is this simple little charcuterie board. Now, if you watch my channel a lot, you might have already seen this one. This one's turned into a very successful video as of this point. It's also become one of my best sellers. Let me show you a little bit about how it works. Now, this is just a simple 1-inch dowel right here, or maybe 1 1/4 inch, I can't remember, but it just, this part pops right out, and you can fold these up so that it's easy to store. And then when you're ready to use it, just put it right in there, spread your holders out, and then place it however you want to go. Now, I also give folks these little cups to put in there. Now, I sell this for $65, as you see right here. It actually is very quick and easy to make. I can knock out about 8 of these in one day if I just sit down and really get to it. I sell them for $65 or $75 if people would like to have them personalized or engraved. And so far, that's what you see right here. I sold 8 of these on the day that I just posted the picture of it out on my Facebook page. And at $75, at $75 each, there's $600 right there. Now, I have made one improvement from this original design. Now, you'll notice that these ramekins don't sit down in there very good. So what I did is on the new ones, I have pocketed out a little round over, as you can see right there, and made it a little bit bigger as well. So the cup sits down in there much better, right? I think that's a neater look. I love this project because it's easy to customize. It's easy to change it out, to move things around and really have fun with this. So I hope you enjoyed everything. And again, one more time, if you haven't subscribed and if you haven't hit that like button, please do it, because those metrics are what YouTube uses to determine whether or not this is valuable content. And it further pushes out my videos and helps me reach a wider audience. So I appreciate that. Now let's get out there and make some stuff.